Hello and welcome to Mathematics Made Easier channel. This is your favorite mathematics tutor, Comfort Amwako Atta. I welcome you all to my class this moment. If today is the very first time of you joining my class, a special welcome goes to you. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please look down there and click on the subscribe button to subscribe. Then you click on the notification bell to be the first to be notified whenever I upload any new tutorial. Thank you. All right, so today we are going to have some fun. Anyways, happy Labour's Day to all my lovely kids out there. Since we are home today, let's learn something new. Okay, math is an everyday practice. So let's take this as an opportunity for us to learn something. Today we are going to the basis of mathematics. The basis of mathematics. Without this, you can't really solve complex mathematics problems. I know that 3 of the 4 basis operation signs are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. And most kids struggles with the multiplication aspect of mathematics. So today I'm here for the little ones, the little kids. I'm going to help them to master their multiplication tables without any struggle at all. So get all your kids on board, let them get their jotters, and follow as I do some examples with them. Okay, so let's do this together. Oh, all right, good job. I just finished with a tutorial with a group of students online. So I'm kind of exhausted, but let me also give this to help the little ones with their multiplication skills. So we are going to take the multiplication of 3s. We are not going to do any roots learning. I don't like roots learning. But let's develop some skills in mastering that skills. All right, so we start from 3 times 1. We are going to use some funny ways to learn it. So 3, we get our 3 strokes times 1. We get just a bar. All right, good. Then we count the number of points we have or the number of joints we have. I don't want to use some terminologies that would get you confused because this again is for the little ones. So we are going to count the number of joints or points we have. So 1, 2, 3. So it means 3 times 1 equals what? 3. Then again we have 3 times 2. So again we get our 3 strokes. 1, 2, 3, because we are on multiplication of 3 times 2. So horizontally we cross out 2 times. Then we get our joints. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It means 3 times 2 is what? 6. Let's continue. I'll just solve a few with you and you would continue. So 3 times 3. Let's get our 3 strokes. 1, 2, 3. Then we cross out 3 times because it's 3 times 3, right? Okay. Then we count the number of joints we have. It's where 2 lines are meeting. Sorry, let's go again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? It means 3 times 3 equals 9. Okay, now let's go to 3 times 9 because, it should apply to all the others, right? So we move to 3 times 9 and see whether we can use that same approach to solve it. So 1, 2, 3. Let's make our lines longer a bit because we are going to get 9 horizontal lines cutting across them. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so okay, 7, right? Let's continue 8 and 9. Okay, so we have our 9 horizontal lines being crossed out. So let's count the number of joints we have now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. It means 3 times 9 equals 27. Is it so difficult for you to do? No. But sometimes it becomes a struggle when you ask kids what is 3 times 9. But the moment they know this little strategy, they would be able to get the answer correct. I also did one using my palm. Okay, so if you want to use that too, you can go under my previous videos and you'll be able to solve or be able to get your multiplication tables just using your palm, the lines in your palm to find out. I've used so many strategies to help kids in learning their multiplication table. All right, thank you so much for your time and attention. I believe this tutorial was helpful. So I'll come up again with a different strategy to help you with the 4s, 5. Our focus this week will be on mastering 3s, 4, 5, and 6. That will be our focus this month. So once again, happy new month. Now focus will be mastering 3s, 4s, 5, and 6. You should be able to say it even off head. Okay. All right. Thank you so much for your time and attention. I believe this tutorial was helpful. If it was, do not forget to give me a thumbs up down there and also share the links to your friends, your kids, and your colleague teachers to help society with this. Thank you. Until we meet again, please stay safe and learn hard. Bye.